Listen up, you fool. You sit there whining about wanting to be rich. If only I had the right idea. If only the economy wasn't rigged. Bullshit. You're lying to yourself. If you really wanted wealth, you'd have it by now. The ugly truth? Your subconscious hates money more than it hates poverty. It's terrified of what riches demand: power, aggression, dominance. Jung called this the shadow conflict, that dark part of you you've buried because society told you to be nice and humble. You've got an internal brake slammed on, and no business strategy, no side hustle, no crypto pump will work until you release it. You're not broke because of bad luck. You're broke because you're at war with yourself. And today, I'm dragging that war into the light. Buckle up, this hurts, but it's the only way out. Let's cut the crap. Why are you still scraping by paycheck to paycheck? Because you've been brainwashed to be a good boy. School drilled it in. Money is the root of all evil. Parents said, be humble, don't show off. Religion? It's easier for a camel to go through the eye of a needle than for a rich man to enter heaven. Huh, no wonder you're poor. You've internalized that garbage. But here's the Jungian twist that will get you. Money isn't just paper. It's energy. Pure, raw psychic energy, like libido on steroids. Acquiring it demands aggression, the drive to conquer markets, dominate negotiations, expand empires. Those are shadow traits. The dark, primal side you've rejected to fit in as nice and empathetic. Unwarned, your shadow holds the gold, literally. It's the part of you that's ruthless, ambitious, even greedy. But you've locked it away, terrified it'll make you a bad person. Result? You're harmless, not good, just a pushover who lets opportunities slip. Think about it. That friend who always says money isn't everything while driving a rust bucket? That's you. Or the artist who doesn't sell out, but can't pay rent. Your shadow guards the vault, but you're too scared to face it. And there's another reason you are broke. It's not just the good boy syndrome. It's the mother complex. Jung saw this in men who refuse to grow up. You are subconsciously waiting for the world to save you. You think your boss is your father who will give you a raise if you behave. You think the government is your mother who will provide a safety net. Money doesn't come to children. Money comes to creators and destroyers. As long as you are in this passive, waiting mode, waiting for the perfect idea, waiting for the market to improve, you are acting like an infant. To get rich, you must kill the infant. You must realize, no one is coming to save you. If you don't hunt, you don't eat. I get it. I was there once, hating the greedy rich while wondering why my bank account mocked me. But that's the trap. Projecting your shadow onto billionaires lets you stay comfy in mediocrity. Wake up. Your poverty is self-inflicted. Enough diagnosis. You're not here for pity. You're here for the cure. Jung didn't just spot problems. He gave the fix. Integrate your shadow. Not by becoming a sleazy villain, but by reclaiming the golden shadow. Those buried strengths like ambition and assertiveness that society shamed. Turn your inner demon into your ally. First, stop projecting. That hate for greedy rich folks? It's your own suppressed desire. Exercise. Grab a journal. Write down 5 things you despise about billionaires. They're selfish. They exploit people. Now flip it. Selfish becomes, I prioritize my goals. Exploit becomes, I leverage opportunities. See, that's your golden shadow talking. Do this daily. It'll shatter the block. Journaling is step 1. Now step 2, microaggression. I don't mean being a jerk. I mean asserting space. Look at your bank account. It reflects your inability to say no, and your fear of asking for more. Your mission, for the next 48 hours, stop apologizing. If you bump into someone, don't say sorry. If you state your price, don't justify it. Silence is dominance. When you ask for money, whether it's a client or a raise, state the number and then shut the hell up. The first one to speak loses. Your shadow knows how to hold the tension. You're a nice guy. Persona wants to break it with a nervous giggle. Let the shadow hold the line. Third, practical grind. Shadow work isn't woo-woo. Pair it with action. Read Rich Dad Poor Dad through a Jungian lens. See how Kiyosaki embodies integrated aggression. See the shadow integrating. Build a 30-day plan. Day 1 to 10, journal projections. Day 11 to 20, practice dominance in low stakes, e.g., return a bad purchase assertively. Day 21 to 30, chase one money-making opportunity with ruthless focus. You don't need to be bad. Just whole. Integrate and watch doors open. I did. Went from broke dreamer to building real wealth. It burns at first, but that's growth. Wealth isn't luck or inheritance. It's psychological consent to wield power. Are you ready to claim it? Or will you keep playing the good boy and stay poor? Your move. Comment below. What's one shadow trait I'll integrate today? Hit subscribe if you've got the guts to face your darkness. In the next, final Jung film, I'll reveal what to do when you've got it all and still feel empty. Kill the good boy. Embrace the shadow. Get rich or die trying. See you on the other side.